Alright, welcome to the Kingdom Rock and Talk Show. We're about to come and pick this guy up in a minute. So, like I said, we're going to do a before and after. And this is the Vulcan 650S before the pipes, the windshield, the hand grips, and all the good other stuff. Okay, before. Alright, Daddy, I cut the grass. Here comes the lawnmower. Yep, no more lawnmower. And this here has come from the engine back. So this is the full set. Let me zoom into that. Yep, that's the full set. Okay, there we go. I got the sun on me and I can barely see with the sun shining down on the screen. Okay, so there's the exhaust. Okay. Now, here we go. Y'all heard before, Daddy, I want the lawnmower. Now, listen to it this time. Ooh. Okay, that's it for the Vulcan S model. I mean, the Vulcan S with the added mods. And like I said, I got the Puig windshield, the grab-on hand grips, and I got the Delkevic Slash cut full exhaust kit. And like always, I want to thank my man Killakam for talking me into getting one of these. Even though I don't know him personally, but his review with the little jelly bean, I had to go out there and try one, and I liked it, and I got it. And I probably wouldn't have even thought about getting one if I wouldn't have saw just how cool Jelly Bean was with Killakam riding it for his dad. So, and then I seen other people after his. So for all my Vulcan family out there, thank y'all guys for turning me on to a nice bike. Saved me from buying that Honda with the automatic CF whatever that version was, but it's an automatic Honda. Also, yeah, for my Vulcan owners out there, this might be a pipe you might want to get. The full setup is under 600. I mean, the full setup, and I'm talking about the pipe installation. If you take it to the dealer, all under 600 bucks, and with that, you can't beat it. 'Cause